If your Toyota RAV4 engine fan is not coming on when it should, especially in hot weather like Nigeria, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you where the fan relay is located and how we safely make the fan run with ignition to protect the engine. In hot environments, we often see cases where the engine fan does not come on early enough. This can cause overheating, especially in traffic. In Nigeria and similar regions, many technicians choose to modify the fan control so it runs once ignition is on. The first thing you need to understand is that this vehicle has two fuse and relay boxes inside the engine compartment, but only one of them controls the engine cooling fan. The other fuse box handles different systems. Normally, this relay is controlled by the engine temperature signal. The ECU sends an ART or trigger signal when the engine gets hot, and that allows the fan to come on. However, in very hot climates, waiting for temperature control alone may not be enough. That's why many technicians choose to make the engine fan come on once ignition is on, to prevent overheating and protect the engine. What we are doing here is simple. We are bypassing the control signal to provide a direct ART to the fan relay. This way, once ignition is on, the relay activates and the engine fan starts blowing. Please note this relay's control terminal, this particular point here. So using a jumper wire, we connect this relay's control terminal to a solid body ART. This allows the relay to activate whenever ignition is on. Always ensure your connections are firm and properly insulated, because this gives an ART current. On ignition. Now, as you can see, once ignition is turned on, the engine control fan starts working immediately. This confirms the bypass is successful. This modification is mainly recommended for hot climate regions. If you live in a cold environment, you may not need this setup. Always understand your vehicle's condition before applying modifications. This is the kind of real-life automotive electrical work I do every weekend. Practical problems and practical fixes. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel, share it, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you again next weekend with more useful videos.